My name is Steve Mazzaro, and I'm a music producer and composer. Music has become a fundamental part of the human experience. It can unite us in celebration, in joy, and even in sadness. It is the literal accompaniment to our lives. My job is to create music that tells a story. Bentley approached me to design a piece to showcase its pinnacle audio system, which is engineered and developed by the British company Name. It had to be the ultimate in-car sound experience, not only showcasing the power and craft of the system, but also reflecting Bentley's own design values. The brief was beautiful in its simplicity. Bentley gave me only 3 words to work with. The same 3 words that drive their own design process: inspiring, harmonious, and potent. As a composer, such an open brief gave me the space to play, metaphorically and literally. My approach was to create a long piece, nearly 10 minutes, with a consistent motif and theme throughout, but presented in 3 different musical styles. So we move from the stirring sounds of flamenco guitar and the rhythms of ethnic percussion through swelling strings and orchestration, and finally to bass-driven electronica that underpins solo electric guitar. It's a journey through as many unique sounds as possible, matched to the ability of the Bentley Name system to produce the ultimate driving soundtrack. The final piece features performances from some of the most accomplished instrumental soloists on the planet. This project is a coming together of artisans, those musicians, the technicians at Name, and the craftspeople at the Bentley factory in Crewe, England. And the result is even more than the sum of its parts. It's been an honor to lead the process.